If you're installing the Sick Bike Parts left side chain tensioner on your shift kit build, here's a bit of advice. Take a Sharpie or some paint or some machinist bluing and coat all these areas here. The inside of these bolt curves. I didn't have any rubbing here on this one, so I never tested that one. But just mark them all. Also here below the opening for your clutch arm, coat this, coat this, coat this arm. Now when you put your shift kit bike together, or really any build, before you even start it, you should go and pedal it around for a while. Put this all together, go pedal your bike up and down the street, around the block or whatever for 10 minutes, come back and disassemble this. And anywhere that your chain has rubbed the inside of this, you'll be able to see, because the chain will wear off the marker or the paint that you applied. I had to cut this big window right here. This whole area was chewed out, almost pushing through from my, I was running 415 heavy duty chain there. So mark that as well. Take your Sharpie, mark this whole inside here. And as you pedal, wherever there's any rubbing, it's going to scrape off that marker or paint, and then you can come back. In this area, you just cut it out with a Dremel or a hacksaw or something. In these other areas, you can just file it down. I take a little file and file all that down. I just got done filing this here. And then, you know, put it back together. Ride it around again, take it apart, check it. You might have to do it a few times until you get these surfaces to provide enough clearance.